Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we read a dinosaur book earlier, and we always like to do a craft or a science experiment with our book. And so today we made fizzing dinosaur eggs. So we just took miniature plastic dinosaurs or dinosaur rubber bands. Hold on, we're gonna wait, okay? And this is on Pinterest, but I'll link the blog that I got this activity off of underneath in the video. But we made fizzing dinosaur eggs, and so what we did beforehand was, and they were a part of this, and we just worked on our good communication skills and language skills while we were doing that, right, with our vocabulary. And so we mixed together. Let's go to turn and we'll find our word mix. So we mixed together baking soda and water until it was just like a crumbly dough. We added food coloring to color it, and you guys got to choose your colors and tell me what color they wanted. And as I know, you're ready to see inside, aren't you? So then you just put the dinosaur or whatever it is inside, and you could do other trinkets too inside. Shape it like an egg and then wrap it in plastic wrap, and then you put it in the freezer and let it freeze. And now it's this afternoon, and we want to take a look inside, don't we? Let's take a look inside. So now we have vinegar, and I just have it in little bottles like this. You can get it into basting things, and they're gonna spray it on top of the baking soda. And look, that's so cool. There we go.
So they're basically just gonna melt?
Yeah, it looks like it's melting off, isn't it? That's so cool. Look at them fizz.
And look at that.
Yeah.
Wait,
So the baking says you're starting to reveal one?
Yeah.
Yes. We're going to be able to see our trinkets inside. Oh, we need to take this one out of its plastic wrap. I left it in there to show. You want to get that one too?
Here's mine. They're deflating.
Yeah, they're melting down, aren't they? So this is just something cool that you can do. Work on lots of commenting and directing with the look and watch and what do you see.
Wait, I got one.
That's a nice reaction. Luke, look! She had a dinosaur come out. We hatched one of her eggs. Say good job, Sophie.
The others need a couple more sprays.
And I have it on cookie sheets. We're also outside. I put a plastic bag over the iPad just to protect it and give it a little extra layer of protection just in case.
And look, I found another one. It's one of the rubber bands.
Oh, wow! That's wonderful. Yeah.
This is so weird.
Okay.
Feels super weird.